What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel and another video. As you can see here, I am not in Jersey anymore. I am in Las Vegas. I'm here with a couple friends. We're traveling on vacation and I want to make a video to show you guys how to stay in shape and fit while traveling. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just got back with my friend. We just got some Starbucks. Typically I get something a little bit nicer and I have a little bit of a sweet tooth. So when I go to Starbucks, I may get like an iced caramel latte, a bagel, chocolate chip cookie, something like that, which is a lot of carbs, a lot of calories for breakfast. So one way that you can stay fit and in shape when you're on vacation is if you're going out, which you probably will a lot, you're not probably cooking food, is to get lower calorie items. For example, as you can see here, I got iced coffee. I was gonna get cold brew. They don't have any cold brew, so this is just a normal iced coffee, black. Literally 0 calories in here because it's literally just ice and black coffee. And I got a plain bagel. We're gonna go to the gym after, so we're gonna work off these carbs that I'm eating. But yeah, just bagel, coffee, pretty standard, not too many calories here. Just get a little meal in before we go to the gym and the pool, and I'll see you guys in the gym. What is up, guys? We are currently in the elevator over here with my boy Itzik. We're gonna go get a nice little workout. Nothing too crazy. Itzik, how you feeling? Feeling like some gains. You see those cuts right here? Woo! See what that says? Available 24 hours. There's no excuses for not working out, especially when you're traveling and you're staying in a hotel or something like that. Gyms are open 24/7. You gotta go in there. All right, let's get this workout.
I want to tell you a little story about
short little 30-minute workout. Get what you can get while you're on vacation. But you can get a nice little light pump. It's fine as long as you keep working out consistently every single day. Let's get it. How do you feel today? I feel like not motivated. But you're still here, right? Still here. Still doing it. Might work. Get a nice little light cardio in. Some good views. Alright guys, my audio gets cut out a little bit in these last few clips. I'm just going to talk over it. For drinking, I use a couple of tricks with this. So I never pre-game or buy cheaper liquor. If you're drinking, I would buy top shelf liquor, only because you'd want to sip on that since it hurts your wallet more. Also choose drinks that are better for you macro-wise. So don't choose a Red Bull vodka or some sugary mixed drink, even if you're on vacation. Beers are also pretty awesome because they'll fill you up pretty quickly since they're carbonated if you properly pace yourself. I don't think I need to mention this, but you could also just not drink alcohol. On the other hand, drinking a lot of water, at least a liter, a gallon would be optimal or ideal. It's a great way to pace your drinking if you are drinking, and also make sure you're not eating too much and keeping you satiated, which is also going to help you stay lean and in shape. Alright guys, that'll wrap up this video. The tips I mentioned are only a few that I thought were the most effective ones. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys get the chance to travel soon, and remember, no matter where you go, there's always going to be ways to stay fit.